if your Xbox Series X wireless controller is not connecting to your Xbox console, but it's flashing white, or it won't connect even when it's plugged in, then stay tuned and let me show you how to get your Xbox controller connected via Bluetooth to your console by following some easy steps. The first thing that we should try is repairing our Xbox controller to the console. Sometimes it may have unpaired itself, and that's why it's not connecting. So first of all, we will press the pair button on our Xbox console, then the Xbox logo will start blinking rapidly, and after that we will grab our Xbox controller, make sure it's turned on, then press and hold the pair button that's at the top, until the white LED also starts blinking rapidly. And as soon as we do that, they should get paired. But if your Xbox controller is blinking rapidly but it won't pair, then we can try a different pairing method, which is by using a USB cable. We'll just plug the Type A interface into our Xbox console and the Type C or micro USB interface into our Xbox controller. Then it should vibrate and pair itself. Now you can disconnect the cable and it should stay paired. If it doesn't, then let's connect it back. And now we will check for a software update for the Xbox Series X controller. Just go to Settings, then Devices and Connections, Controllers and Headsets, open More options by pressing the 3 dots, and then choose the Update option to update your controller. But even after updating, if the controller won't stay paired, and maybe it turns off after a while, then what you should do is try a fresh pair of batteries. Because sometimes if there's low battery, then the controller will have trouble pairing. Still having the same issues? Then let's try resetting our Xbox Series X controller to factory default and repairing it. To reset our Xbox controller, we'll just need to press and hold the pair button and keep holding it until it vibrates twice and turns off. Now it's fully reset. So we'll follow the same pairing process and this time it should connect. If this didn't work either, then don't worry, because sometimes this may be your console that's causing trouble. And simply cold booting or power cycling it has fixed it for a lot of gamers. So what we gotta do is unplug it from power and wait for around 5 minutes. And while we are waiting, we can also take out the batteries of our controller so that both of them gets a fresh reboot. Then turn off your console and also put in the batteries back into the controller, and now try pairing them and they should work. Unfortunately, if none of these steps helped, then there may be some problem with your controller. You can verify this by connecting a different controller if you have one, or you can also contact Xbox support and get your controller repaired. And these are all the ways you can fix your Xbox Series X controller that won't connect. Let us know how it went down below, make sure to drop a like, give us a sub, and I'll see you in the next one.